New kit, we about to break quarter panels. Snow, hood, rope, hell yeah.
What is this? You need some milk.
Good morning, guys. So, we're gonna be working on the R34, putting some fenders on, but it is snowing like crazy outside. Welcome to New England, everybody. Look at that. Just started, it's supposed to be like 5 to 8 inches. Nothing too crazy, but good reason, stay inside, got some heat on, and start working on the R34. So what I wanted to do was, I was gonna try and keep it like this, but I want to see how the fenders line up to see if the fenders make a huge difference with how like the gap and everything is before I go ahead and start making brackets and all that stuff. So I'm gonna start on this side here. Let's open this up. Get like all these little screws that are in here. You got like 2 10 mils down there, 4 across through here. You have to take this shit off too. Watching a little bit of Aaron, Lone Star Drift, make me miss Ebisu in Japan. Need to go back ASAP. All right, so here, taking out all these 10 mils. That's out. That's out. Oh, missing bolts there. Oh no, that was for the hood. Forgot about that. Alright, let's take all these out. Hopefully, now we'll have to measure it out and drill some holes, but shouldn't be too bad. So here you can see still how it's still hitting that front bumper. Still gonna have to, I'm not sure if I should trim it a little bit more or I might have to just redo the whole intercooler piping, because even this is pushing it back and it's like denting it right there. Alright, all that's off. Should come off. In theory. Something's still being held. Oh, back here. There we go. Just 2 hands for this. Still being held by a clip here. Alright. Damn. Fender is off. Alright, so we're gonna get the driver's side fender. Got it up here. Gonna have to do some cutting a little bit too to fit these. These were the last I wanted to fit on here. Little side markers. We got the fender here. Don't mind this. This was what I was originally gonna do. I was gonna wrap it with this like matte black gray finish just because I had extra. But I don't think we're going that route. Just pull all that off. Gonna have to finesse this and try and fit it.
Open up for
Woo-hoo-hoo. Damn, get me so hyped. Team Orange. Let's go. Rear wheel drive Evo. Could be me, but playing games. But enough of that. We're here. We're just gonna start drilling some holes. Fitment's not too bad. It's looking like. So the main reason I was also thinking was, I think I actually have to run this bumper because that little inch or 2 that I was spaced out with the metal fender OEM one was coming out through here, and as you can see how the space between there is all the way there, and it actually brings it in all the way up. So I think that actually may cut it. So we're gonna bolt this up and everything first just to double check. So I made my marks here, 1 2 3. Got the one on the little inside through there, and the 2 bottom ones as well. All right, so far, did the 2 holes here, did the hole back there. The fitment's not too bad so far, but seems like we're gonna have to lift this up a little bit because as you can see this little space. But I think once, oh, almost destroyed the whole fender there. Once I bolt this section down and the 2 bottoms there, this will push the whole thing and then we'll be able to bring this part up here. But look at that wideness. Woo-wee! Down on the bottom, fitment's not bad at all. Just went ahead and started sanding this down. This part right here is rubbing pretty close to that. So making sure we don't die. Wear a respirator and should be able to fit and bolt that down. Drill 2 holes underneath and let's see if it mounts up. All right. Look at that fitment. That fitment is not too bad at all. So you still got to shave like, well, I don't think you guys can see, but inside here there's another screw that pushes that part in. So this will be brought a little bit inside the side skirts literally come out. Side skirts will connect right here, and then this will all be even across there. Look at that. Just need to bring this up a little bit just to match with the door. Compared to... all good. See, there's a little gap here too, so that's not too... I thought it was gonna be a lot more off. All right, all that's good there. Now we can move on. Passenger side. Take all this out again. All right, here we go. This one's a little tighter, but I was actually able to close the gap on this one a lot more. So I'm gonna have to do the same thing to the other side. But as you can see, it's a little bigger of a gap. Just gonna have to bring that up. What I did was actually made the hole that holds this part a little bit bigger and was able to raise this. So we'll do that. All right, guys, I found out why it was spacing this section out. So if you guys can see on the inside here, there's like a little bracket thing. That right there is gonna have to get shaved down, and then I'll be able to push forward a little bit more.
Yo, do you know what the cure of baldness is?
Big dicks.
McDonald's fries.
Hey! Yo, drop a like so my boy can get a new screen. That side's all done. So now what we're gonna be doing is making some holes. That way we can fit and bolt up the bumper right under here. Make two, 1, 2 on this side over here. And we should be good, hopefully. This is the little bit of clearance issues. Oh, is it gonna focus? Little clearance issue there between the bumper and the intercooler. Also here, this is where the bumper retainer, gonna have to drill a hole, 2 holes actually, right there. Bolts up to this fender, that way this is nice and sturdy, even though it's already sturdy. That thing's not moving nowhere. All right, now that's all lined up there. Gonna have to make 1 more hole on the inside here just to hold this section up. Same on the other side. Moment of truth. We're gonna see if those headlights fit. Oh, the headlights will fit, but see how much space of a gap is between here. This is the biggest part, this little bracket there. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'm hyped. This is looking good. The fitment's pretty on point. Can't complain. Look at that. Woo-wee. It's held right now by these pieces of wood here. Gonna have to drill. That way we could connect these 2 points there, over there as well. Only problem I'm having now is gonna have to make a bracket for up here. This is gonna have to extend up top to hold this whole section here, as well as this. You guys see, this is probably maybe the only fault of the actual bumper itself, just because it's a little wavy. But, dude, honestly, we won't have to trim either for the intercooler piping because it actually fits pretty good. So that's a plus there. Hell yeah. This looks good here. As you can see, a little imperfection there, but if we were to bolt this piece down, that'll close that gap there. A little bit of a gap here. We'll just have to lift this up after this is bolted down to the fender there, or the fender to the bumper, I mean. But look at it. Nice and closed. Ooh-wee. Yo, Kendrick, look at this fitment, my guy. It's not bad. Once that top piece gets bolted on, then it'll be good. Hell yeah, new kit. We about to break quarter panels. Hell yeah. Damn. No respect. Damn, we're gonna smash these fenders, boys.
Sick. I love it.
All right.
Clean up
Great
after
time.
yourselves.
Break down to the viewers the deals that we get.
Oh, it's awesome because we get $5.99 pizzas, medium pizzas with 2 toppings, and Parmesan or garlic bread bites.
Look at that.
$5.99 each.
Yep.
So
Can't beat
after
it.
sauces and everything, 20 bucks walking out the door. We eat like kings.
Hell yeah. All right, guys. So we ate. Pretty much done with everything for now. So we're bored and it's still snowing outside. So we decided we want to go sledding, somewhat. We got an old, what is this, like a G35? Oh no, this is a Honda hood. Honda hood. We'll need some rope. Hey, Kendrick with the rope. We're gonna tie this to either Kendrick's car or Adrian's car. Alright, let's tie this up.
I wish my truck was blocked in. I'd get it out.
Do we need a handle? Like right here? Like what we lay down?
You want to be part of our misfits?
Yeah. Do you have any
You already know what's gonna happen. Snow, hood, rope, hell yeah. Alright guys, you already see this being a bad but great idea. We're gonna tie this to Adrian's car. We got this, we got some tarp so I don't get like soaking wet and or die. Good. Yeah, you good right there.
All right, here we go. The guys grabbed the hood sled. I'm coming out. Oh, it looks sketchy already. It already looks sketchy. You guys are sketchy.
That's the main thing I really
Okay.
What's the code for like you about to die?
I'm gonna yell.
You know, always do some dumb shit. Oh yeah.
This is not comfortable at all. Oh, hell yeah. We should have made more distance. Do not stop me.
He'll fucking go flying.
If he stops, I'm going right into the car.
Is it like you're gonna turn, like you're like
Yeah. Yeah, just keep
you're
it
gonna have
going.
to like tuck and roll.
Yeah, we should have made it longer. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, go ahead, hey. Do not stop.
Yeah, Kendrick,
What?
put my back seat down so I can hear you through.
Don't go too fast.
How do you put them down? Where's the lever? Oh,
This may or may not end well.
can you see? You can see. Okay, good.
Don't go like wicked fast. He's gonna be all in, no matter what.
Fast. All right. Hey, wait, just go. Do not stop.
Sketchy is this?
Yeah, do not, don't stop. Just keep it going.
Make sure you bail.
If you stop, then it's just...
How, yo, you dangerous, man. You dangerous.
Yeah,
All right, go ahead.
We're stuck. Ah, we're good. Oh, sketchy.
Yeah, I should have my phone.
Yeah, your phone, your helmet. Damn, Adrian, slow down, yo. Yes. Don't worry, I'll catch him. Oh, man, there we go. Oh! I'm getting snowed on. Ow, the hood of this truck. How sketchy is that? Watch out for the fence, yo. Oh, go the other way. Oh, peace out. Oh, shit.
Dude, that was so sketchy.
Wait. Okay. You let go. Through it. Oh shit.
You're gonna die.
Oh my god, my balls. Ah. Ow, that hurt. Okay. Then we go through here.
Yep.
Perfect.
All right. Now we're extra sketchy. You have to make sure if you let go, you're gonna just like go into the building.
Yeah. Pretty much.
All right.
There we go. Now we're doing some sketchy shit.
That's very sketchy. You're insane.
Oh yeah, you're right. Well, just try to launch me through over there.
Watch you like against the.
Yeah, through over there. And then we'll
right.
probably like, I'll fucking hit an ollie.
Just making sure we're.
Helmet.
Yeah. Take the helmet. Just trying to make sure we're in focus here. Well, damn, if we had a snowboard, it'd be like legit.
Oh hell yeah.
I'm laying on a cold rotor. Hold on. Let me put my gloves on because I'm a little bitch.
All right.
Hey, you said it.
I like being warm and safe. So that's why I'm in here. All right. You ready to die?
Hell yeah.
We should give you a camera.
Living like Larry.
To where? That was a really good roll. Damn, you saw the hood? That was fast as hell.
That way I can get more
That's not a ramp, that's not a jump. You're gonna hit it and you're gonna go flying. Yeah. Oh, shit. How sketchy is this? Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh man! Oh man!
Yo, that was the bestest shit ever, yo. Yo, guys, I think it wasn't the lamp.
I thought it wasn't. Holy shit!
Yo, get the quad out.
Did you see how much
Yeah.
air I got, dude? Holy crap.
Oh man!
Yeah, I knew that would work.
Oh man!
It hurt a little.
No, just my eyes.
You didn't close the visor?
Nah. Should've.
Alright, one more.
Where are we going? Down? Just careful with the cars. Oh, we just ran over Tony. Where'd you go? Where are you? Yeah, you're funny as hell, man.
All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.